In this video, we will demonstrate to you how you can conditionally show the payment gateway in bit form. In this form, we have already configured two payment gateway. To make this happen, you can use the radio button, checkbox, drop-down, or any other fields of your wish. As a demo, we will use the radio button in this form. Give field label and options to radio button. As you can see, in our form both payment gateways are shown by default. At first, we have to hide these from our field on load. To do that, go to your form settings and then conditional logics. Add a new logic and then on form load hide both payment gateway. As you can see, both are now hidden on form load. Now it's time to show PayPal as per the choice on form input. So when the user chooses PayPal, the PayPal field will be shown. Now repeat the same as well as for Razorpay also. This is how you can conditionally show the payment gateways as your preference. Thanks for watching.